Right, super quick video, just because I found these and these are curiously amusing. Where I live, we have a sort of what we call the dodgy shop. It's one of those shops that's quite big, sells all kinds of crap. Like it sells saucepans that are bigger than your head, it sells coke and food in different countries' languages, a kind of shop that sells stuff. Also a good place to get these from. You can buy these for like £1 each, so when they break you buy 6 more. And whilst perusing their wide array of cables, I came across these two things, and I can't work out what these are for at all. They make no sense. This one says on it USB to PS2. Okay? USB? PS2? And then it has a picture of a mouse splitter and a USB thing. Super quality. Okay? From Cheng Yam Pai. Yeah, it was £3. I bought it for a laugh. Let's have a look inside. Tin it without removing any of your fingers that I care about. Right, so this claims to be, let me just see here, USB to PS2, right? So you're seeing that and you're thinking, no, it's serial to PS2 because that's not a thing either, is it? But no, it's VGA to PS2. What even is this? I don't even think that's an actual PS2 connector. Let me get one. It's not even PS2. This is PS2. There's a little black thing in the middle. And it has 6 pins. This has got many pins. This looks more like SVGA? No, not SVGA. That might be. S-Video to VGA. What is it? Is this some sort of weird cable for a projector that has been put in the wrong box and then sold in this shop for £3? So that's that one. This one is high-speed VGA to RGB. So high-speed VGA, okay? Because that's the thing. High-speed VGA to RGB component for £7. RGB. Yeah, so red, not green, not blue. Okay. Computer, the TV, the sound, VCD, DVD, pure copper. I bet there's no copper in this at all. It'll be that nasty aluminium crap that doesn't solder. Let's open it up. There we go. Let's have a look at this monstrosity. So it's VGA to 3 random coloured plugs. Clearly these are just off an audio video composite lead attached to that. Okay. High speed cable. Oh, even said so. It's got one of those on, so you know it's a VGA lead. They bothered to terminate the end, but seriously, what is going on with this? If you have any idea what these are for, please tell me, because I really want to know. My idea is that this is a nice way of getting one of these on a length of wire, so I can snip this off, and I don't care about that. But then it occurs to me that maybe there's only 4 wires attached in here, so this is possibly junk, but it's quite entertaining because it's got an even more random diagram on it. Wall jack, phone plug, high speed VGA, phone plug, wall jack, the sound, DVD, phone plug. It's like they put words as decorations on boxes. And then we go, oh, VGA cable, I'll buy that to plug my fax machine into the phone socket. Actually, let's work out where these go on this. Okay, amazing. Right, so it connects that middle one. I will later put up a little picture here somewhere of a VGA connector to try and work out how this fits together. Let's go into that pin. That's going to that pin. So these grounds are connected to something. So the middle row, those first three are the grounds. Then the middle of the yellow connects to that first, well, that middle one there. Pin 1, is that pin 1? Now we get those the right way around, it's red. So those three and those three connect to that. I want to know now if there's any more connectors inside this. So let's do a bit of snippy. I don't want to damage it though, because it might actually be a cable that is potentially useful. Let's just, like, you can feel the inner cores. Let's just gently try and snip something off here without snipping through any wire. See, I think it's just got these going all the way down it into the plug. Let's investigate in here. Yep. Right, well this is no good to me as a quick fix VGA cable, because there's only these three wires that go to this plug. There's probably nothing else in here. Yeah, weird. Without slicing this open, let's see what is connected to what on here. They got the grounds connected. Oh, they do. This one might be a better quality cable. This might have more than 6 wires inside it. They'll be the same wires again, won't it? Won't surprise me if it's RGB and then don't know what. But there's no... Right. Here's a thing. This can't work. Because there might be RGB coming out of this. But this is not a composite signal. So there's got to be sync coming out of this somewhere. But there isn't, because there's not enough cables. Right? Not enough connectors. There needs to be another one for sync, at least. 2 if you're doing it properly, because you need horizontal and vertical sync. So what are they doing? They're just like building random cables. With this one I have nothing that will ever connect to, so I'm going to snip it off. I want to know if there's 15 wires in this. It's possible we have actual cable and not just people building things that look like they're a real thing. Right, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. More than 10.
Maybe this is useful. That one lives. This one, nah. So there we go. A collection of weird... But wait, there's more. There's another one. I went back to the shop. I found this thing. Yeah, so this is even weirder. It's cheaper, £2. From Schengen. USB to RCA cable. USB to 3 RCA. AV TV HDD stereo adapter cable. Please retain the reference for future purchase. No, we're not going to buy another one of these. This range of cables comes with exclusive design. Yeah, it's a USB plug and 3 of them. That is an exclusive design. Exceptional durability, for which SGL are famous. Have you ever heard of these people? Tell me in the comments if you have. I bet you haven't. They're a ideal choice for all your visual and sonic enjoyment. Choose these cables and relax. Okay, let's get it open, look inside it, find out what this is. Okay. Yeah. So now there's There's several things this could be. Because these are RCA, this is kind of implying it's some sort of input. There is no little weird blob on the cable, okay? So that means inside here, for this to be an input, there's got to be some sort of circuitry that works as, well, it's got video, okay? Composite video. That means inside this tiny plug, there's got to be hardware that emulates a capture device, so that my computer, when I plug this in, can actually sample the data from this, because this is not digital, it's analog, okay, in that, yeah, USB plug, cheap one, so it's kind of curved, it's not even well made. Or this is an output, in which case this has to pretend to be an audio device and video card type thing, so that I can plug that into a TV and presumably see my computer. Or, as we are probably suspecting, these probably just connect straight to this in that kind of mad weird thing where it makes no sense. So before we cut this open or beep it out, let's plug it into a computer. I have a computer. My computer runs Linux. So we will get this, we'll plug it in my computer and see what it does. Place your bets now. Well, nothing has exploded. Okay. It has not detected any USB device. Are we surprised? No, we're not. So, let's just put that there. Oh, it's still plugged in. And let's just check what's on the end of these. I bet there's 5 volts coming out of one of these. Yeah, there's 5 volts, actually -5, so that means I've got ground backwards, and that's positive. Dear. What's on this one? Bet this is like data or something. Oh, that's got 5 volts on it as well. Right, let's work out how this is wired up then. So, I bet all the grounds are connected. Yep. And I bet all the middles are connected. Oh. No, they're not. What? Okay. How is it connected down here then? Right, so the outer shielding, not connected to anything. That means I can sort of poke at this in here. Right, the rightmost contact goes to the outer of the white one. The other one goes to the inner of the yellow one. One of these middle connectors that's got to be data goes to the middle of the white one. And then the other data goes nowhere. Oh no, it goes to the middle of the red one. And yet if I measure between each one of these, I get 5 volts. I need to get in here. I need to be inside this bit. See if I can do this without cutting my fingers off. Right, I think we can safely say Inside that there is nothing at all, it's just these are connected to that in some very peculiar way. So whereas you might have thought, oh well, this cable possibly has a use, maybe it went to an old projector that had some non-standard connector and that was the best they could manage to plug into the projector and that went in your computer, this cable probably has a purpose. And you're probably making up some reason for this to exist, like maybe they just use a VGA connector on something else, possibly another weird projector, and that these went in your console and that this was just a convenient connector they had. But what? I don't know what this is trying to even be. You know, this makes no sense at all. The fact though it's even sold as a thing. Look, it's got a little picture there of a computer and a monitor and a DVD player. You know, this is trying to be something. But it's got that weird same picture of the wall jack and the computers. Look. So yeah, if you got one of these weird shops where you live that just sells junk and stuff like this, if you do, let me know if it sells these weird cables or if it's just mine that's found some. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.